Fine. You look dashing and beautiful tonight.
Is it dash? Dust.
Don't you have any plans to take up college education?
No, because of poverty.
Do you work now? Yes. May I know what is your work?
Fashion design.
So you're a fashion designer. So you design clothes?
Of course.
Yes. My question is this. Is fashion designing makes you happy? Why?
Because when I was a child, I want to grow up to be a fashion designer because I can help people to how to learn fashion, to how to learn to design than fashion designer. That's what I'm saying.